Hello, hello. My name is Teacher Donna. What's your name?
My name is Kat.
Hello, Kat. How are you today?
I'm happy.
That's nice to hear. Okay, Kat. Look at this. Okay. What is it? It's a computer, right?
Yes.
Okay. Where is the computer? It's on the table, right? Is it right? It's
Yes.
on the table. All right. Now, look at this. What is it?
It's a book.
Very good. What are they?
They are hands.
How about this? What are
They
they?
are arms.
Arms. Good job. Okay. Now look at this. Which is the ruler?
It's here.
Okay, very good. Now I'm putting the ruler under the chair. Okay. Now you put the ruler in the bin. Okay, good. Now which is the teddy bear?
It's here.
Okay, good. Now put the teddy bear on the cupboard. Put the teddy bear on the cupboard. All right, good job. All right, now what is it?
It's a car.
Very good. What color is it?
It's yellow.
All right, where is the car?
It's next to the bed.
Okay, very good. Is the car big?
Yes.
Yes, it is. Okay, now what is it?
It's a bowl.
Okay, what color is it?
It's orange.
Okay, where is the ball?
It's here.
Okay, it's on the...
It's on the floor.
Okay, good job. Now, can you describe, is it big or small?
It's big.
Okay, good job. All right, now what is it?
It's a bicycle.
Okay, what color is it?
It's blue and yellow.
Okay, good. What's your favorite toy?
My favorite toy is a scooter.
That's nice to hear. Okay, is it a pencil?
No, it isn't.
Is it long or short?
It's long.
Okay, where is your crayon?
What?
Where is your crayon?
I don't know.
Is it in your school bag? Is it in your bag?
Yeah.
Okay, now what is it?
It's a train.
Okay, good. Is it big or small?
It's small.
Okay. Do you like train?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Is it a school bag? Is it a school bag?
Yes, it is.
Okay. What are in the school bag?
It's a pencils. It is pencils. It's a ruler. And it's a notebook.
Good. What color is your school bag, Kat?
It's blue.
Okay. Is your school bag blue? Your school bag.
No, it isn't.
What color is it?
It's pink.
Okay, good. All right, now let's talk about you. Okay, has your mom got long hair or short hair?
My mom has long hair.
Has got?
Long hair.
Okay. All right, how about you? Have you got a pencil case?
Yes, I have.
Very good. Now I've got one mouth. I've got 2 ears. I've got 10 toes. How about you?
I got 2 eyes. I got 1 nose. I got 10 fingers.
Okay, good job. All right. Thank you so much, Kat. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay, can you press, please? Okay.